Wiring your Nest thermostat correctly is the key to avoiding heat and air conditioning problems, so let's get those wires locked down tight. When you're hooking up your Nest thermostat, make sure each wire is pushed all the way into its slot, like no half measures. After you push it in, give it a gentle tug to check it's not going to slip out later. If a wire feels loose, pull it out and try again, making sure the stripped part of the wire is fully inside the connector. Don't strip too much insulation off the wire, just enough to make a clean connection without exposing extra copper. Label each wire before you disconnect the old thermostat to keep track of which one goes where. That way, no mix-ups. If you notice any corrosion or damage on the wires, replace them or clean them up before connecting. Avoid bending wires too sharply because that can mess up the connection down the line. And don't forget to turn off your HVAC system's power before messing with any wiring to steer clear of shocks or damage. One of the biggest thermostat wiring mistakes people make is not pushing wires fully into the terminals, which causes false connections and random heating or cooling failures. Fix this by double-checking each wire sits flush and snug. Another common problem is mixing up wire labels, like confusing the heating wire with the cooling wire, leading to your system running backwards or not at all. Label wires before unplugging the old thermostat to avoid this. Lastly, stripping too much or too little insulation from wires can cause poor contact or expose copper that shorts out. Aim for just enough bare wire to fit securely without leaving extra exposed metal. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it connects you with people ready to hire, making things smoother for everyone involved.